Okay, so this is another one in which we have so we have the addition being, repeated addition being like multiplication. So if we look at it, we see 125 is 5 to the third power times 5 to the fifth. So that equals 5 to the eighth. But what about the other side? So the other side has 5 to the x, but the crucial thing here is it has 5 to the x power how many times? 5 times. So you see this again and again in AOPS. They want you to see this. So it's 5 times 5 to the x. Well, what does that equal? It equals 5 to the x plus 1. So 5 to the eighth equals 5 to the x plus 1. Well, if the bases are the same, then for them to be equal, the exponents have to be the same. So these have to equal each other. So 8 has to equal x plus 1. Therefore, 7 equals x. And so it's a little bit easier than you would have expected looking at it.